So see here, in the last video I have told you total momentum before collision means m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, means total momentum remain conserved. Now in this video we will prove it how it remain conserved. Again we will start. Suppose these two bodies are there, mass m1, mass m2, velocity u1 u2. They will collide with each other. After collision, mass will remain same m1 m2, but velocity is v1 v2. Now what is the thing to understand here, that see here properly. Momentum you can write m1 u1, m2 u2, m1 v1, m2 v2. Clear? But which is the most important thing to see here, that is suppose this first body is there, when it will apply force on this second body. This is body A, or you can say first body, and this is the second body. First body will apply force on the second body, and second body is applying force on the first body. Clear that? First body is applying force on the other body, and when they will collide, this body will apply force on the second body, and the second body will apply force on the first body. Now see, this first body is applying force on the second body. Now so this force will be F1, and when second body is exerting force on the first body, this is force F2. Don't confuse in this, that on first body force is F2, and on second body which force is exerting, that is F1. Clear to all? Now we will start this. You all know that we have done first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. Clear? So we can find the value of t from here. What will be the we can find the value of acceleration from here. V minus u is equal to at, t is equal to a is equal to v minus u by t. Clear? We all know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. First of all we will talk about the first body, and when we will talk about the first body, on first body which force is acting? F2. Mass of first body m1, and acceleration of first body a1. F2 as it is, m1 as it is. On place of a1 we have to fill the value. On place of a1 we will fill this value. A is equal to v minus u by t, but a1 we are talking about a1, so v1 u1 upon t, v1 minus u1 upon t. So this is our first equation. Now same as it is, we will write F1 is equal to m2a2, because on second body force is F1, but mass of second body m2, and acceleration of second body is a2. So F1 is equal to m2a2. F1 as it is, m2 as it is, a2 v2 minus u2 upon t. We said that in Newton's third law of motion, that when one body is exerting force on the other body, and other body is exerting force on the first body, they both are in equal magnitude, but they are in opposite direction. So we can say that F1 is equal to minus of F2. Clear? F1 is equal to minus of F2. So we can fill value of F1 and F2. F1 value m2, v2 minus u2 upon t is equal to minus of m1. Minus is already here, we have to fill this value, v1 minus u1 upon t. Now just we will solve it and our answer will come. You can cancel t with t. This open the bracket, m2 v2 minus m2 u2 is equal to minus m1 v1 plus m1 u1. Clear? Now see, this negative terms change their side. m1 v1 take this side, m1 v1 M2 V2 is already here with the positive sign. M1 U1 as it is right. This change side M2 U2. So this we want to prove that momentum will, this is the momentum, total momentum, you can say total momentum after collision, and this is the total momentum before collision. So they will remain conserved, they came equal. So this we want to prove that total momentum after collision and total momentum before collision, they are equal. So see here one numerical related to this topic. A bullet of mass 20 gram is horizontally fired. Bullet is there which is fired from a gun. Mass of bullet is 20 gram and a velocity with a velocity 150 meter per second from a pistol of mass 2 kg. Pistol mass is 2 kg. What is the recoil velocity of the gun? Pistol means one body is pistol and other body is bullet. So mass of bullet means mass of first body 20 gram, mass of second body 2 kilogram. First of all, this change into kilogram divided by 1000, it will come 0.020 kilogram. First of all, bullet and pistol both are at rest, then initial velocity means u1 and u2 will be 0, but velocity of the bullet when it is fired, it is 150 meter per second, and velocity of the bullet, recoil velocity of the bullet, we have to calculate. We know that m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2, means total momentum remain conserved. Total momentum remain conserved. So we can use this m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. We can fill this value m1 0.020, u1 0, m2 2, u2 0. Again this same v1 150, m2 2 and v2 we have to calculate. This 0 0 full 0 will be there. This you can calculate when we will remove decimal downside 1000. We have written 2 v2, you can cut it. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. 3 plus 2 times v2. 2 v2 is equal to minus of 3 v2 is equal to minus 3 by 2, means minus 1.5 meter per second is the velocity. This is the velocity of the, this is the recoil velocity of pistol. Clear this? So with this our chapter second is finished.